The ketogenic, or keto, diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has gained popularity in recent years for its potential health benefits. This eating plan has been shown to help people lose weight, improve blood sugar control, and even lower the risk of certain diseases. Here are some of the key benefits of the keto diet. Weight loss. By restricting carbs and increasing fat intake, the keto diet can help you lose weight by reducing your overall calorie intake and boosting your metabolism. When your body is in ketosis, it burns fat for energy instead of glucose from carbohydrates, leading to weight loss. Improved insulin sensitivity. The keto diet has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which can help lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. By reducing the amount of glucose in your bloodstream, you can regulate your insulin levels and reduce the risk of developing insulin resistance. Lower risk of heart disease. The keto diet can improve heart health by reducing the levels of triglycerides, a type of fat found in the blood that can contribute to heart disease. By reducing the amount of carbohydrates in your diet, you can also lower your cholesterol levels, which can reduce your risk of heart disease. Brain health. The keto diet has been shown to improve brain function, potentially because the brain uses ketones for fuel when glucose is not available. This may help improve focus, memory, and overall brain health. Increased energy. By cutting out carbs, which can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, you may experience increased energy levels on the keto diet. This can help you feel more awake and alert during the day, leading to improved productivity. Some people may experience side effects such as fatigue, headaches, and constipation. Before starting the keto diet, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional to determine if it's the right choice for you and to receive guidance on how to follow it safely. In conclusion, the keto diet has many potential benefits, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced risk of heart disease, and increased energy levels. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting this or any new diet to determine if it's the right choice for you and to ensure you're following it safely.